My dear viewers on Madani channel, Insha'Allah Azza wa Jal, today we'll be learning about the blessings of being linked to Ghaus-e-Azam radiyallahu anhu. Amir Ahl Sunnat Dam Barakatun Aliyah writes in his booklet, Corpse of a Child, published by Maktabatul Madina, that once some people came to Ghaus-e-Azam radiyallahu anhu and said, "O Wali of Allah Azza wa Jal, we can hear screams from a grave in Babul Azj. Huzur, please pray for him." He radiyallahu anhu asked the people, "Was he my follower?" The people replied, "We don't know." He radiyallahu anhu then asked, "Did he ever attend my gathering?" The people replied, "We don't know." He radiyallahu asked, "Did he ever eat my food?" They gave the same reply. He radiyallahu anhu then asked, "Did he ever pray salah behind me?" They said again, "We don't know." Then Huzur Ghaus-e-Azam radiyallahu anhu started to think with his blessed head bowed down. After a short period, he raised his blessed head and said, "The angels came to see me, and they told me, that person used to come and see you, and he had faith in you, so Allah Azza wa Jal has forgiven his sins." Alhamdulillah Azza wa Jal. Then the screams which were coming from that grave stopped. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad. मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।